Okay, check this out, guys. We are doing an unboxing of the IdeaPad by Lenovo. It's a 720S model. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Oh, look at that fresh plastic. Oh my god. Everybody loves to do that. Stop laughing at me.
You were born for this.
Yeah, buddy. Let's put that aside. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. Okay, there's nothing to see, but it just feels really nice. Oh wow, that's really nice. Yeah, open it up, show it us. Wow, look at that. I don't want to see my face on the screen, so yeah. Whoa, look at that. Oh, they have it's like a very nice keyboard. Looks like Sony's keyboard. Come, let's check out what else is in the box.
Plug in.
Let's see.
Charger.
Okay, so we've got the power plug, Singapore power plug, and what's this? This is just a manual, is it?
Yeah.
Nothing else inside, right?
Nothing else.
Okay.
Yep, that's all.
Yep, that's all. Oh, this. I didn't know that they changed the.
Plug again.
Oh yeah, I didn't know that they changed this again. It used to be the. At least mine, my office one is the what do you call it? The rectangle one. So yeah. So are you gonna turn it on? No. Let's just turn it on. Yeah, just turn it on. Where's the? I don't even know where's the power button. Oh, right here. Okay, let's go.
I don't think it's charged.
Yeah, no, it definitely it would turn on.
Nope. Nope. So it's actually not charged.
Oh wow, it's not charged. Okay.
Never mind.
Never mind. Just take a look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. So good.
Oh, they have the fingerprint.
i7 fingerprint. The side you can see memory card. What's this? I think this is the. Is this the charging port? Oh no, it's not.
No.
It's USB-C.
Yeah.
And then you have one normal USB, HDMI. And on the other side, what do you have here? You have the microphone, headphone jack, charger, and another USB. So yeah, the specs are pretty good. It's an i7, 8th generation core with 16 gigabytes of RAM, and I can't remember what's the graphics card that was inside, but I believe it was the MX150 with 2 gigahertz of DDR5 memory. Should be fast enough for most of your needs. So yeah, I can consider buying this. That's great. That's great.